You've got a face for radio, they said. Hi there, you're listening to the luscious sounds of Dr. Smooth on radio PLR.me, aka Richard Butler.
Seriously guys, can I turn on the camera now? Hey there, it's Richard Butler, Director of Education here at PLR.me. And something I hear a lot from people is, Richard, I don't want to be on camera. Or, Richard, how do I create audio content with your resources? Well, today I want to show you how I took just one article and turned it into a snazzy pants PDF. Yes, that is actually the technical term. A video and now a very short meditative audio. And I did it really easy. So let's do the 30-second recap. One niche that I work in is the English mentoring niche. And I thought, how could I use content from PLR.me to help my clients? Well, I identified their challenges. I realized that it was the inner critic that was stopping them. I rewrote an article about motivational affirmations and I made it my own for me and for my niche. Okay, how did I do? Plus I also recorded a video about it. So the plan for this item is to simply read the affirmations that I created in a very calm voice with some background music playing in the background. But hold on a second. Where would I find background music? Well, guess. Well, go on. I'll give you 3 guesses. Let's see if you can get them right.
On the internet.
Oh, the copyright issues.
I could create it myself.
Yeah, that's gonna work and that's gonna be super simple.
PLR.me.
You got it in one. Now, the first part of writing the affirmations is quite easy because we would have done that already in part 1 where we were rewriting an article. And then finding the music, well, hey, that's simple as well because we can find that on PLR.me. But how do we put it together? Well, we do have a video on the technical elements of that and you can see the link just up here and also in the description. But before you go and watch this, let's talk about a little bit about the technical setup. Honestly, you could record the audio using your smartphone and the headset that came with it. I am a real believer in using what you have. Sure, you can get the fancy microphones like I have here, but I don't want you to do that. All I want you to do is to use what you have so that you don't start making excuses. Come on, you know when you say, I can't do this until, well, that's a great excuse. And here's a great excuse that people often say to me.
Yeah, that's all fine, but I don't have a recording studio. I don't have a fancy mic. It's too echoey.
Is that a word? Is that a word? Is that a word? Now, you want to know the real insider secret on how to find the best soundproofing studio that you have in your house? Come closer and I'll tell you, your closet or wardrobe. Seriously, due to all the clothes in there and the size, it really is well soundproofed. Now, if you live in a small apartment like me in Barcelona, you can still stick your head into the closet and record. The idea is not to have an excuse. And nobody's going to see you with your head in the closet or inside the closet if it's big enough to get inside the closet, as long as you don't find Narnia at the back of those clothes. So you don't have an excuse. You can do this. And you know, when I was recording the affirmation audio, all I did was I talked really slowly. No, not that slow. No, not that slow. Like, I made sure that I spoke in a slow, calm voice and I repeated each affirmation twice or 3 times while recording, in case one sounded better than another, but also for repetition purposes it was good. Now, a few tips. If you're using your smartphone headphones, maybe get a peg so that you can attach the wire to something to ensure it does not rub against you or your beard. That tip is mainly for the guys. Try not to move too much so that the audio always sounds as if it is coming from the same place. Another tip is just to relax and enjoy yourself. The actual audio might be less than 3 minutes long, but it may take 10 minutes to record. But don't worry, the more you do it, the better you will get at it.
Oh, hold on, Richard. You forgot something really important.
Oh, really? How do I actually record the audio? Man, oh man. You see, if I had that in the script I had written for this video, I would not have forgotten. Actually, it was in the script. And in fact, I'm saying exactly what I need to say right now, reading from the script. You see the power of the script? I talked about that in the previous video about video creation, and you'll see a link up here. Now, let's get back to your question. What do you need to record the audio? Well, your smartphone should have a built-in app to record the audio. And if not, you can probably download something from the App Store. Now, If all else fails, plug your headphones into your PC and use the built-in recording app that comes there. You see, I'm trying to make sure that there are absolutely no excuses for not doing this. Because yeah, I get it that maybe in my last video talking about doing Facebook Lives and recording videos, you were like, oh no, I can't do this. But audio, who's going to see you? Absolutely nobody. So in summary, creating meditative audios can be really, really rewarding and are easier to do than create a video if you're camera shy. And you don't need any special equipment, just your smartphone, a pair of headphones, obviously with a mic, and that's really it. Oh, and maybe a wardrobe as well. Now, make sure you subscribe to be notified when the next part of this video series goes live. And go on, record an audio today. Don't be shy. Make sure that you check out the links in the description and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you.